Let's try another 3 by 2 digit multiplication problem using area model. Our problem is 526 times 31. This is a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number. 3 times 2 equals 6. We are going to need 6 boxes. Here I have drawn our 6 boxes. Notice how the ones on the left are larger. This is because we will be multiplying larger numbers in these boxes. That just gives me a little bit extra room. The next step we need to do is decompose these numbers. First, let's decompose 526. 526 decomposed is 500 plus 20 plus 6. Now, let's decompose 31. 31 decomposed is 30 plus 1. Now we can begin filling in these boxes. For our first box, I'm going to stick my finger in the first box. I'm going to go to the left. I see I have a 30. I'm going back to my box. I'm going to go up and I see I have a 500. So in this box, I know that I need to put 30 times 500. 30 times 500 equals 15,000. I found this by using my zeros trick. I did 3 times 5, and I didn't worry about the extra zeros, and 3 times 5 gives me 15. Then I added my zeros. I had 3 to add. 1 with 30 and 2 with 500. So 3 times 5 gave me 15, then I added the 3 zeros left on the end. 30 times 500 equals 15,000. Now I can begin working on my second box. I place my finger in the second box, I go over to the left, and I see I have a 30. I come back to my second box, I go up, and I see I have a 20. So I know that 30 times 20 will go in my second box. 30 times 20 equals 600. Again, I used my zero trick to figure this out. I ignored the zeros in the problem, so that's this one and this one, and I did 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. Then I added these 2 zeros on the end. 30 times 20 equals 600. I can begin working on my third box. Again, I want to start by placing my finger in this box. I'm going to go all the way over. I see I have a 30. I go back to my third box. I go up, and I see I have a 6. So in this third box, I know that I'm going to have 30 times 6. 30 times 6 equals 180. Again, I used that zero trick. I didn't worry about this 1 0. I just forgot about it for a minute. I did 3 times 6 and got 18. Then I added my 0 back on the end. 30 times 6 equals 180. I can begin working on my fourth box. Again, I want to start by placing my finger in the box. I'm going to go over to the left. I see I have a 1. Then I'm going to go back to my box and go up. I see I have 500. I know in this box I'm going to put 1 times 500. 1 times 500 equals 500. Now I can work on my fifth box. I'm going to stick my finger in the box. I'm going to go over. I see I have a 1. Go back to my box. I'm going to go up, and I see I have a 20. So in this box, I know I'm going to put 1 times 20. 1 times 20 equals 20. Now I can start filling out that last box. Again, I'm going to stick my finger in the box. I'm going to go all the way over to the left. I see I have the 1. Now I'm going to come back to my box. I'm going to go all the way up. I see I have a 6. So I know in this box, I'm going to put 1 times 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. Now all of my boxes are filled out. I'm ready for that last step. My last step is to add all the answers in the boxes. That is 15,600, 180, 500, 20, and 6. I'm going to add all these answers to get my final product. I added all of these numbers together. I made sure that all my ones were lined up, all my tens were lined up, all my hundreds were lined up, all my thousands were lined up, and all my 10,000s were lined up. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 equals 6. 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 2 equals 10, and I carried that 1. 1 plus 6 plus 1 plus 5 equals 13, and I carried that 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6, and 1 plus nothing equals 1. So our final product is 16,306. 526 times 31 equals 16,306.